I'm not sure why it's not working.
So because of the cream stitching, detergent enough
Still think that maybe keep it.
Yeah. As far as I know for this reference,
This way.
yes.
This one. With the blue. The white one. What do you think? Okay.
We hope you don't use it, but if you need to use it, we have to spare.
Also, if maybe you want the yes.
Just close that up.
Yeah.
Too particular about the gap. But I must say the older Rolexes support strap. It's because it's just designed so well with the bracelet, you can't quite take it out of it.
So this is Ming's 3D printed. Yeah.
I'll just pick the original straps inside.
Yeah.
More contemporary look.
Okay, let's do this two then.
Yeah, this is nice.
Well, this one is really personal preference. For me, I'm quite utilitarian, so I enjoy the corrosion resistance and the hypoallergenic because titanium is known to be more hypoallergenic. But of course,
I think this. Yeah, I think it looks.
let's pay with can do just step here when you're ready.
Yes, do one.
Your preference of sizing would be slightly relaxed, fitted. Which one do you prefer?
Let's go for the relaxed one first.
Slightly relaxed. Size down if required, or extend if required.
Oh, there's no lounge. Not really. That's the reason why I want to change it actually. But the day I came, they said there is actually there is this for the size actually. Bubble strap.
60.
Yeah, bubble strap.
60.
Yeah. I came previously actually.
Togo. 60, right?
Oh yeah.
Togo in grey and black. Try it on. Should be pretty relaxed. And probably have to trim down. Personal preference. Prefer the style.
Yeah, I think it's okay.
It's good?
Yeah, this is good.
Alright. It's a nice update.
Yeah.
Nice.
Very fitting of the style.